Number 29 wants you to solve the inequality. And this is not a linear inequality. So you have to do it with a sign chart. That's how you do functions that aren't linear inequalities. So first you factor. So we would get x minus 8, x plus 2 is less than or equal to 0. And so we are going to say, where would those equal 0? You would have zeros at x equals 8 and x equals negative 2. So then you're going to do your sign chart, and you would have negative 2 and 8. And then you look at your function, and you can use end behavior. What would this is an even polynomial with 1 as a coefficient, so a positive coefficient, so it would just be, end behavior would be this. So it has to be, this is just a sketch of the graph, but it helps us with where the graph is positive and negative. So it's positive before negative 2, and then negative between negative 2 and 8, and then positive again after 8. And it asks, when is it negative? So you would say that it's negative between, and this is less than or equal, so you would use hard bracket, negative 2 comma 8. Not negative 8, negative 2 comma 8. So that would be the answer for number 29. For number 30, you would factor this to negative x plus 2 and x plus 2. Does that come out right? That's negative x squared minus 2x plus 2x plus 4. Yeah. So we've got that factored. And it's where it's greater than 0. And so we'll do, this would be negative x plus 2 equals 0. So this is x is 2, and this is x is negative 2. So we have a sign chart at negative 2 and 2. Now let's look at this function. This is a parabola upside down, so it has to be graphed like that. We'll graph the zeros. So that means it's negative, positive, negative, and it wanted where it was greater than 0. So we use soft brackets because it doesn't include where it is 0, and that would be from negative 2 to 2. So that's the answer to number 30.